What is up, my kings and queens? Y'all, I was supposed to record me getting ready and stuff for this probate to go see my sisters, but I was running that mouth, not even gonna lie to y'all. But I will do a makeup tutorial since it was requested. Y'all, I'm really a makeup artist. Cassie went to her other friend room, so it's just me now. But she was just in here literally before I started recording. So y'all will see her later on. I'm sure it's not my last night seeing her. I mean, last time seeing her today, because we are going out tonight. Don't know what I'm wearing tonight. I don't even know if I really care what I'm wearing tonight. I'm slick irritated, like, y'all, I don't like being out. My social battery is coming, like, my social battery is barely there. I have 5% left between last weekend, y'all. Last weekend I went to Huntsville. This weekend, it's a mass probate, and I'm only participating in the activities because my sisters are crossing, and I really love my sisters. And then there's an event tomorrow I have to work. I'm exhausted. I'm grateful. And God woke me up today. And he continues to wake me up every day. So I'm grateful. But I will definitely need some time for myself. Like. But yeah, y'all. So doors open at 4. And I think it's like 3:30. I'm finishing up my makeup. I don't really gotta do my hair for real because I'm gonna wear a hat, but I'm gonna wear my hair down. I'm not wearing it up like this. Y'all really love that TikTok of me strolling at C6. Y'all eating that up. I'm about to be at 8,000 views. Comments going crazy. Likes going crazy. Like, what? Yeah, so if y'all don't already, follow me on TikTok because your girl going up. She's going up. But I always just be randomly going viral. And it be on stuff that's like so simple. I don't know. Like, I be trying to figure out what exactly do it be. Okay, so y'all like strolling videos, period. But I don't really want to make my platform about the organizations I'm in. This is about Miss Amaria J. Like, y'all should be getting ready to know me. Everything like related to the stuff that I'm in, like cheerleading, house arrest, C5L, all that blew up. Okay, but get to know me. Are you here for the moment or are you here for the ride? Hey, is you with me or you ain't? That's all I'm saying. As long as I have been doing my makeup, I have never liked lashes. I just don't like them. I don't. Now for my birthday, I get my lashes done. I let my cousin do my lashes. I be booking my appointment June every year. Since I graduated, I've got my lashes done. And I really don't like lashes. Have a nice face like this and put on some mascara and call it a day. I do not like lashes. Like, I really don't like lashes. It's not me. I'm a natural girl. And I just so happen to like makeup. It never gave. I just want all the extra. I don't want to be flying away at the eyelids. Like, no. Just want to reiterate, we're going to this probate for specific people. Farron, JoJo are my line sisters. Zuri is my sister because we're part of the same organization, but she's just not on my line, so she's not my line sister. And then Remy, we cheered together at MLK. Y'all might know her, y'all might not know her, but yeah. We both ended up coming here and we cool still, so. She sent me that number. I said, period. And I haven't seen you around. I wonder where you was. One thing about AMS, we're always going to be matching. They're going to be matching me every time. Like, I don't understand. Pause. Let's rewind this right quick. One thing about AMS, we're always...
We done got them caught you, my boy.
Going to be matching. They're going to be matching me every time. Like, I don't understand. It'd be like, how are we? We're literally matching. And the other ones is matching us too. It never be playing. Now you go. Okay, y'all, we're at the probate. Back it up, though. Back it up. We're at the probate. And we finna walk in. And I feel like
like I dressed inappropriately, but this is the home of the hoes. They're going Mario.
Let's put Kyrie in it. So y'all, this Kyrie, we friends, but we beefing right now.
I don't fuck with you. On the gang, I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you.
We playing it cool, but I really don't like him at all, so. We ready to go! We ready to go! We're not even paying attention.
Mind y'all, we've been sitting here since 4 o'clock.
Sean. Wait, at the moment? Lost it.
What going on? Y'all know the fuck tap in. I'm up at Brandon shit. Y'all know what's up.
Hello.
Big tour found the bitch boy Brad. Y'all know what's going on.
Hello? My part. Anyway. Let me see where he get you. Hey. Okay. That's ridiculous.
Bow, bow.
Oh my God.
Y'all know the fuck going on, yeah.
Why? This girl said she wasn't even here.
Bow. No, bitch, I said I wanted a drink.
Oh, right.
That's what I said. Come back. We don't come back for K-Day. So when you
A moment of silence for my Neo, because she clearly lost it. Alright, this was hard. I give it to him. They ate. I can be a little dramatic at times, but no, it was literally 99 of them.
That probate was like damn near 5 hours. I had to leave. I can't, like, saw my sisters, didn't get a chance to take pictures with them, but hopefully I'll see them at that party, because, yeah. I do not like mass probates for this very reason.
Let's keep in mind that I'm in Alabama, which means everything closed early. So yes, I had to leave that probate early so I could get something to eat, because one thing I'm not finna do is starve. Matter of fact, we need a moment of silence in the room for my hunger. And honestly speaking, we're just gonna ignore my wig. The makeup came off on my head. It's a line on my forehead. Install was just very rushed. Okay, it's alright, because I'm finna reinstall it.
And like I told y'all before, I eat and I get down and I don't play. And I have no shame about it. You think I got this booty? By not eating? Cause I eat food.
Oh, y'all hear my
I
room
eat.
laughing in the back?
Oh, this Mo's, by the way. Mo's over Chipotle.
And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram with the same @ and then follow my new page, Queens World TV _ for all things YouTube related. Thank you.